G'day guys, this is just a quick video. Anyone who is thinking of replacing their head unit, I've got a Kenwood in mind. The Mylink was rubbish, so I swapped it out. But if you need to get into this dash of an RG Colorado, it's pretty straightforward. You just grab under here and pop it out gently. Okay, so that's out. If you open up the top lid and pull away here gently, that'll go. Work it around. Ooh, gentle, gentle, trying to break the clips. Okay, there we go. And then you've got to get, if you want to get the head unit out, the screws are in behind here. So you've got to pull this air grill out. So again, I just use a flathead screwdriver very gently so you don't scratch here. In under there and pull out. Don't be scared of that cracking sound. And again, work it up. That comes out. There you go, that's all that is. And then you take the other side out and you've got access to the screws. Take the head unit out and away you go. Bit of a mess in there. And to put it all back together is the reverse. So you put this in first. These little green clips, just be careful because they pop off. I've actually lost one on here somewhere, or a couple. Anyway, I'm sure you can get more of them if you need to. So again, start at the top. Work your way down. There you go, that's in. This one goes in. This one goes in. Bob's your uncle. Now I've had that apart a few times, so some of the clips are probably a bit looser. If you've never had it off, they might be hard to get out, but that's fine. Just be gentle and work your way around the edges there, and it'll come off pretty easy. Thanks for watching.